Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a gel polish design. I have already applied my nail tips. These are the gel polishes I'm going to be using. I will link them in the description along with my discount code. I did buff this nail tip and you should do this to all of your other nails. I'm going to start by taking the blue gel polish and applying random spots on my nail. I'm going to do the same thing with the other two colors. If you want one color to be more dominant in your design, add more of that color. For this design, I wanted the purple to be a little bit more dominant than the blue and the yellow. Try not to add too much gel polish around your cuticle or sidewall areas because then you'll have a lot more mess to clean up at the end. If you get any other colors on your brush, you do want to make sure to clean that off before placing it back into your gel bottle. Then I'm going to take some crumbled up plastic and I'm going to be dabbing this onto my nail. This is going to blend the colors together and give you a marbled effect. You want to make sure not to overdo this step because if you do, it will blend the colors together too much and then it won't look good. Something I forgot to record for this nail is once you have the design like you want, you do want to take a brush with some alcohol and clean up around your cuticle. After your cuticle is clean, go ahead and cure your nail. I'm going to be doing these same steps for all of my other nails. Something I did not do with my nails but you may want to do with yours is to add a solid color background. This can be the color that you want most dominant in your design or a white background. Doing this would give you a very solid design and prevent any spots from being see-through. I was being kind of risky and I only did one coat of color for these nails, which was this one. I'm just using that same piece of plastic for all of my other nails. But if you don't want to risk having any dark spots on your lighter gel colors, make sure to use a clean piece of plastic for all of your nails. Like I said when I was doing my index nail, it doesn't really matter if you get some on your skin because I am going to take a brush dipped in some alcohol and clean up around my cuticle line. You can also take this time to fill in any gaps that you may have missed, or to swirl around the colors if it's not quite what you want. Because gel is self-leveling, you can take your time during this step and it will create a lot smoother surface for your nails. Then I'm going to do a full cure under the lamp. I'm going to go ahead and do the same design on my thumb. This nail turned out to be my favorite one because I love how the colors swirl around the yellow in the center of the nail. Then once all of my nails are fully cured, I'm going to take my matte gel top coat from a cart and I'm going to apply a thin even layer to all of my nails. Honestly, I almost used a shiny gel top coat and I'm so glad that I did not. This design looks amazing without any shine. If you're looking for a new matte top coat, I highly recommend this one. It's by far the best matte top coat that I've ever used. After the gel is applied, I'm going to cure under the lamp. Look at these. Woo! They're so pretty. I love how these nails are looking so far. But girl, you know me, I'm going to be adding a design. I'm just taking my white gel paint and a fine nail art brush. I'm going to be drawing a flower design. I honestly don't even know what kind of flower I'm drawing. If it looks like something that you recognize, comment down below and let me know. I say this in like every single video, but if you're into nail art, you definitely need to try out gel paint. It's so much better than doing nail art with gel polish because it has a thick consistency, almost like builder gel, so it doesn't run or move on your nail. But anyway, please enjoy watching me do some nail art. Once I'm liking how it's turning out, I am gonna do a full cure under my lamp. So something happened during my editing process and I lost a bunch of footage, but all I did in those clips was apply some rhinestones around my cuticle area using some brush on nail glue. I hope you guys love this tutorial and you love these nails as much as I do. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you think of this design or if you have suggestions for future nail art. See you guys in the next video. Bye!